Hi everyone, I'm Josh from JetPens, and if you've been following our YouTube channel for some time now, you may have noticed some set changes in our recent videos. That's because we've moved into a new office. Please enjoy this short moving montage followed by a tour of our new studios. Roll the clip! And now for the tour. Each videographer has their own mini studio to shoot our typical videos. Then we have the big room. This is a shared studio for larger scale videos. It also hosts our recording booth as well as most of our video equipment. And finally, we have our props areas. These drawers are where we house some of our larger props and plants, while most of our commonly used products and smaller props are kept in these shelves. We hope you've enjoyed this little peek behind the curtain of our office and studios. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.